Bepannaah review. Jennifer Winget and Harshad Chopda shine, but script is the real star. Bepannaah. Jennifer Winget and Harshad Chopda's Bepannaah has all that it takes to keep the viewers glued to their seats. There was a time when Zazba'u soaps ruled the roost in daily soap space. Supernatural 2 kept the viewers hooked for some time, but the phase did not last for long. Currently, the Indian TV seems to be enamored with the new genre romantic thrillers. Shows like Behad, Ishq Mein Marjawan, Ek Deewana Tha, Hazel not only have intriguing storylines, but enough twists and turns to keep the viewers glued. The latest romantic thriller to hit the small screen is Jennifer Winget and Harshad Chopda's Bepannaah. The show starts with the lives of two seemingly happy couples, Yash, Shahban Zoya, Jennifer Winget, and Aditya, Harshad Chopda, Pooja, Namita Dubey. A phone call changes their lives forever as Zoya and Aditya come to know that their life partners are no more. The two strangely reach the same accident spot, and it is there they come to know that Yash and Pooja were in the same car at the time of accident, and were holding hands. Left to right, Jennifer Winget, Zoya, Shahban Yash, Namita Dubey, Pooja, and Harshad Chopda, Aditya. Both of them respond differently to the situation. While Zoya has complete trust on her partner Yash, Aditya, on the other hand, is sure that he has been cheated on, as he could now read hints that he had ignored earlier. As the story moves forward, there are hints of infidelity on both Yash and Pooja's end. Aditya is sure about his wife cheating on him because he thinks she lied about being in Chennai while she was actually in Mussoorie with Yash. Zoya, on the other hand, chooses to ignore the fact that the ring she found in Yash's cupboard was of the wrong size and could very well be for another woman. But then these are only hints, and it is not clear whether Yash and Pooja were indeed cheating on their partners. Shahban and Jennifer Winget. The mystery on surface. It is an accident, and it is more than clear that Yash and Pooja died holding hands of each other in the car when they were hit by another vehicle. But here is the catch. There are signs of foul play. Both Aditya's father, Rajesh Khattar, and Zoya's father, Iqbal Azad, might have something to do with the incident, as the former speeds up the autopsy process while the latter gets a car dent repaired. Bepannaah is as intense as it could get, be it romance or murder mystery, and as fresh as an Indian TV show can be in terms of packaging and treatment. And although both Jennifer Winget and Harshad Chopda deliver a stupendous performance, it is the script which is the real star of the show. So far only 4-5 episodes of the show is out, and we cannot wait for more. It's time Indian TV show writers pull up their socks and stop stretching storylines and introducing meaningless twists. Viewers are now expecting shows like Bepannaah where the story is going in a definite direction. Performances. While Jennifer's Zoya has got the opportunity to display a gamut of emotions from intense love to pain since she is a woman of few words, Harshad's Aditya nails his character with some black humor and hard-hitting one-liners. Sample this. Tamara husband or merry wife milka honeymoon pars wog ja rahe hain, or cheetah ni cheetah ko agni di immigration ke koi problem na aegi. Cedas wog jaegi. Zoya and Aditya are as different as chalk and cheese. While Zoya finds herself melting away in front of her husband's funeral pyre, Aditya on the other hand is burning from within because of his wife's betrayal. The show has to undertake the journey where the two opposite ends meet and develop feelings for each other. While we know the end already, going by the initial episodes, it would be worth undertaking this journey.